Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make a simple to prepare spring asparagus tart. Starting on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper, I have 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry, which I thawed. We are going to slightly overlap them by about 1 to 2 inches. Now, grab a sharp knife because we want to score around the outside edge. Leave about 1 inch around the outside for a crust. Once you've done that, you're going to come back and grab a fork and dock the inside center where we scored it. What this will do is make sure that the middle part doesn't rise quite as big as the outside edge will. Bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. We are just going to par cook this. Let it cool for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to add on 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Spread it all over the center. Remember to leave that outside edge. Then I'm going to add on 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese, followed up with some asparagus, which I'm going to alternate ends all the way down until it is completely filled up. Now drizzle on a few tablespoons of olive oil. This is going to help brown it up and add flavor. We're going to season with salt and pepper. And then last but not least, I'm going to add on a 1/4 cup of Heinen's frozen peas. We're going to the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to take about 20 to 25 minutes for this to completely cook. Looks absolutely fantastic. And then at the end, we are going to slice it up into nice long slices and simply serve it up on a sheet of parchment paper. Don't go far though, we have one more thing, Heinen's balsamic glaze, which is really going to take this recipe over the top. And once you're done with that, you've got an amazing asparagus tart for brunch.